So I purchased at the same time the Daymaker knockoff 4.5-inch fog lights as well as the 4.5-inch housings from the same people off Amazon, just 2 different days in a row, and put them together. So I made my own kit basically. So we're showing you a little bit how I wired them up. Right there, had to add another line, positive line to do the halo, and that's the guard going over it from what it is. Got the fog lights installed with the halo. You see the halo rings? Yeah, there you go. Got the amber one hooked up to my high beam. Yep. And then the knockoff Daymaker stuff works. Boom. Looking good. All the light. And got my blinker on my crash bar hooked up. Very happy how these came out. Super shiny. They're thin little buckets, but they work for everything we need to do. At the price, I'm definitely not complaining at all. Not at all. Here we go. Let's listen to this 103-inch stroke.